Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iOS 26 beta stuck on verifying updates. If you are using iOS 26 and your iOS 26 beta is stuck on verifying updates options, let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So there's the only way to fix the issue. You have to make a force restart of your phone. So now to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, it will fix your issue. And after that, if you want to update your system or software, so you can easily try to update. So in this way you can easily fix if your iOS 26 beta is stuck on verifying updates. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.